Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, we are going to study Unit 19, Origin and Evolution of Life. Origin and Evolution of Life. Okay? Yes. Origin. What is origin? What is the meaning, Utpatti sthanam. Evolution. Parinamam. Parinamam. Otherwise, viriti ஆகுதல். Okay? Yes. Origin and evolution of life. Origin and evolution of life. What is origin? What is evolution of life? That we will study. Okay. Origin and evolution of life. Origin. Living organisms possess distinct characteristics, display organizational and functional unity, entail a mechanism of origin and evolution of diversities, and maintain a balanced relationship with nature. Most aspects of evolution indicate the knowledge of past has become essential for fully understand the present. Life since the beginning on earth had changed through time. The history of life comprises of two aspects. History of life comprises two aspects. One is the origin of life on the earth, and the other is the mechanism involved in the gradual changes and adaptation of living organism through time, which is known as evolution of earth. What is known as evolution of earth? The history of life comprises of two aspects. One is the origin of life on earth, and the other is the mechanism involved in the gradual changes and adaptation of living organisms through time, which is known as evolution of earth. Origin of the universe. Origin of the universe. The universe began about 14.4 billion years ago. Universe began about 14.4 billion years ago, approximately 15 billion. Yes, origin of life linked with origin of earth. The Big Bang theory explains the origin of universe. It proposes that the universe had an explosive beginning and originated 15 billion years ago. The universe comprised of stars, clouds of gases and dust which form the galaxies. The solar system was probably created when the gaseous clouds started to collapse due to the force of its own gravity forming atoms and particles. Atoms, dust grains and gaseous disks aggregated to form clumps and gave rise to planet. This forms solar system of the Milky Way galaxy. Earth was supposed to have been formed about 4.5 billion years back. 4.5 billion years back. Earth was supposed to have been formed about Earth 4.5 billion years back. Life appeared 500 million years after the formation of Earth. 500 life appeared 500 million years 500 million years after the formation of Earth. After the formation of Earth, life appeared 500 million years. The Big Bang theory states that in the beginning the universe was also one place. All of its matter and energy were squeezed into a infinitely small point, a singularity. Then it exploded, வெடிச்சு செதறிச்சு. So that make a universe. Big Bang theory. All of its matter and energy were squeezed into an infinitely small point, a singularity. Then it exploded. Okay. The origin of life. The origin of life is big mystery that scientists have been trying to solve for years. There are many theories of where life began on Earth. There are many theories of where life began on Earth. Some scientists given some theories. Special creation. This idea embodies that life on earth is divine creation and also attributes to supernatural event. At a particular time in the past, it was emphasized that life has not changed even since its origin. Life is not changed even since its origin. Supernatural event at a particular time in the past. Spontaneous generation. Next, spontaneous generation. Abiogenesis, according to the theory, life originated spontaneously from lifeless matter. Life originated spontaneously from lifeless matter. Abiogenesis. It was believed that fishes organized from the mud, frogs from the moist soil, and insects from the decaying matter. It is possible or not? Spontaneous generation. It was believed that fishes originated from the mud. Fishes are originated from the mud. Frog from the moist soil. Insects from the decaying matter. Biogenesis is what's speculated by the Louis Pasteur. Another one scientist said like this: biogenesis. It was speculated by Louis Pasteur that life in 1862 to the life originates from the pre-existing life. How? Pre-existing life. The Pasteur biogenesis life comes from other life. It is possible? We don't know. Yes, he shows that pre-sterilized flasks kept closed airtight with killed yeast did not give rise to any life form. while in another flask kept open to the air living organism arose from killed yeast. Killed yeast. Biogenesis, it was speculated by Louis Pasteur, the life originates from pre-existing life. He shows that pre-sterilized flask kept closed airtight with killed yeast, killed yeast did not give rise to any life form, while in another flask kept open to air living organism arose from killed yeast. Extraterrestrial or cosmic origin. Some scientists still believe that life came from outer space. Some scientists said like this: life came from outer space. It is possible. Life came from outer space. This status, that unit of life, was called spores. Panspermia. Panspermia. Panspermia, that is a organious panspermia. Panspermia, that organious panspermia 1903. Panspermia, the theory that is life come from out the space. Pasteur said life comes from other life. Aristotle said spontaneous generation theory, life comes from of nowhere. Nowhere. Life comes out of nowhere. Operin, primordial soup theory. Operin, primordial soup theory 1924. Early life came from primitive molecules based on chemicals. Early life came from primitive molecules based on chemicals. This like operin, chemical evolution of life. This idea was developed by Oparin. Oparin, one scientist named Oparin, 1922, and Haldane, 1929. Chemical evolution of life. They proposed that with the condition prevailing on Earth, life arose by the series of sequential chemical reaction. The first form of life could have some from pre-existing non-living inorganic molecules. First form of life could have come from pre-existing non-living inorganic molecules, chemical molecules, which gave rise to formation of diverse organic molecules which are transformed into colloid system to produce life. The modern concepts of chemical evolution regarding origin of life was accepted. Modern concept of chemical evolution regarding origin of life was accepted. Chemical evolution, modern theories. Modern theories 1950 present chemical evolution RNA world. Okay, that like some scientists giving some theories. Some come from other life. Life comes from nowhere. Life came from out of space. Space in asteroids. Early life came from primitive molecules based on chemicals. That after modern theories, chemical evolution are enabled. Okay, that like some theories given by some scientists. Okay, next one we have to see evidence of evolution. Evidence. What are the evidence? Evolution can be better understood only by observing the interrelationship between the existing organism and also relating the similarities with the extinct organisms. The interrelationship of organism is also supported by evidence from different branches of biology. These evidences support the concepts that all organisms have evolved from common ancestors. Morphology and anatomy. Morphology and anatomy evidences. Evidences from morphology and anatomy. Comparative study of morphology and anatomy of animals reveal that they possess common sets of characteristics. The comparative study of morphology and anatomy of animals reveal that they possess common sets of characteristics. Common sets of characteristics that also dividing homologous organ, analogous organ, vestigial organ, atavism. Atavism. So morphology and anatomy evidence, homologous organ, analogous organ, vestigial organ and atavism. First we will say the homologous organ. See the picture everybody, homologous organ. Here homologous organs are those which have inherited from common ancestors with similar development pattern in embryos. Civil developmental pattern in embryos. The forelimbs of mammals are homologous structure. Now see the homologous organ. Seal, forelimb of seal, hand, human hand, front leg of cat, flippers of whale, bat's wing, look dissimilar. Yes, these are dissimilar, look dissimilar and adapted for different function. And adapted for different function. Similar not, it is not a similar, it is dissimilar. It is dissimilar and functions also different. Adapted for different functions. Yes, man, the hand function is different. Horse, hand, front leg function is different. Bat, that is flying. Bird, flying. Seal, that also different functions. Structure also different. Yes, look like difference. Yes, not similar. This is dissimilar. After the functions also different. So it is four limbs, homologous organs. Four limbs of vertebrate showing homologous structure. Next one we have to analogous organ. Analogous organ look similar and perform similar function. Look similar, perform function similar, but they have different origin and development pattern. That means the function of wings of bat. You see the picture? Bat wing. The function of the wings of the bat and wings of the insect are similar. Look like similar. Yes. Function, everybody's wings function is same. Bat also flying, bird also flying, insect also flying. Yes. So the function of wings, bat, bird, insect are similar, but their basic structure are different. See, the structure is different. Function is same, structure is different. Okay, function is same, structure is different. That is examples of analogous. That is examples of analogous. Okay, yes, understood, children. Vestigial organ. What is a vestigial organ? Vestigial organ, the degenerated and non-functional organ. Non-functional, degenerated. That is that it is an organism that was thought to be useful. It is an organism in an organism at one time, but no longer has known use. In that organism is vestigial organs. Vestigial organs. What is vestigial organs? The degenerated and non-functional organs of animals. Degenerated and non-functional organs of animals are called vestigial organs. The same organs are found to be well developed and functional. Same organs are found to be well developed and functional in some of the related forms. Some of the vestigial organs in man are vermiform appendix, nictitating membrane, appendix, nictitating membrane, caudal vertebrae, coccyx. These are vestigial organs. You know that our stomach have one appendix. Appendix. That appendix is not functional. That no use at all. Non-functional organ. That making some problem also. Appendix. Yes, somebody have no problem, somebody have some problem. That like these type of organs are called vestigial organs. Nictitating membrane, caudal vertebrae, coccyx. Coccyx is one bone. Yes, that is near the hip portion, the coccyx. That is used, no use. That is a non-functional organ. Otherwise degenerated. That is useless. Okay, that is these are vestigial organs. Vestigial organs. Next one we have atavism, the reappearance of ancestral characters in some individual is called atavism. Example, presence of rudimentary tail in a newborn baby. See the picture, the baby has tail. The baby has tail. Any baby has tail? No. Presence of rudimentary tail in a newborn babies. Presence of thick hair on the human body. Presence of thick hair like an animal hair like a human body. That is reappearance of ancestral characters. Reappearance of ancestral characters. Like monkey, you think. Yes, like monkey, that presence of thick hair. Yes, rudimentary tail, presence of rudimentary tail. These all are atavism. Atavism. Okay, atavism. The reappearance of a characteristic after several generations of absence, usually caused by the chance recombination of genes. Yes. Okay, atavism understood everybody? Embryology. Evidences from embryology. Evidences from the embryo. Study of comparative embryology of different animals support the concepts of evolution. That comparative embryology. Study of comparative embryology of different animals support the concepts of evolution. The embryos from fish to mammals are similar in their early stages of development. The differentiation of their special characters appear in the later stages of development. See the picture. Everybody see the picture. Fish, amphibian, reptile, bird, mammal. First stage everybody see like same. Second stage fish and amphibian like same. Reptile and bird like same. Mammal also. Third stage see all different. Yes, all different. So differentiation of the special characters appear in the later stages of the development. Differentiation of the special characters appear in the later stages of the development. Biogenetic law or recapitulation theory was given by Ernst Haeckel. According to this theory, ontogeny recapitulate phylogeny, the stages of development of the individual animal repeats evolutionary history of the entire race of animal. Entire race of animal. Yes, that evidence from the embryology that embryos from the fish to mammal are similar in the early stages and more differentiation of the special characters appear in the later stages of development. Okay, understood children? Paleontology. Paleontology. Evidence from paleontology. Paleontology means what? Study of fossils. Study of fossils called paleontology. Study of fossils. That Leonardo da Vinci is called father of paleontology. Who is the father of paleontology? Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. The study of fossil helps us to understand the line of evolution of many invertebrate and vertebrate. We will study the fossil help us to understand the line of evolution of many invertebrate and vertebrates. Fossil record shows that evolution has taken a gradual process from simple to complex organism. Fossil records. The origin of modern bird is supported by the evidence from paleontology. Modern bird. The origin of modern bird is supported by the evidence from paleontology. Fossil records show that evolution has taken a gradual process from simple to complex organism. Simple to complex organism. So a fossil is the original material impression, cast, track of any animal or plant that is preserved in rock after the original organic material is transformed or removed. Yes, paleontology. Yes, understood paleontology. Evidence from paleontology also. Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is the oldest known fossil bed. Oldest known fossil bed. It was early bed form found in the Jurassic period. It is considered to be connecting link between reptile and birds. It had wings with feathers like a bird. It had long tail, claws, digits, and conical teeth like a reptile. See the picture, everybody. Everybody see the picture. Connecting link between reptiles and birds. Connecting link between reptiles and birds. It had wings. See the picture. It had wings. Yes, with a feather, like a bird. It had a long tail. See the picture. Long tail also. Long tail. It had long tail, clawed digits, clawed digits. See the leg, clawed digits are there. நகம் உள்ள கூர்மையான நகம் உள்ள பறவை. And conical teeth. See the picture, teeth. Conical teeth. Like a reptile. So, the bat, like a bat, reptile and bat. Connecting link between reptile and bird. It had wings with feathers, like a bird. It had long tail, clawed digits, and conical teeth like a reptile. Okay? Yes, it is Archaeopteryx fossil bed. Archaeopteryx fossil bed. Archaeopteryx fossil bed. Okay? Okay, children. That evidence from the paleontology and the Archaeopteryx. That evidence from the embryology also we studied. Evidence from the morphology and anatomy also studied. Evidence of evolution, and that we studied theories of origin of life also studied. Okay. Yes, you this lesson ever write your homework 10 one word answer. Draw four limbs of vertebrate showing homologous structure. Four limbs of vertebrate showing homologous structure. This picture you draw in your classwork note. In your classwork note, okay? Draw picture in your classwork note. Write one word answer. That is your homework. Okay, children? Everybody study this lesson properly. First lesson that is physics. First lesson, law of motion. Next, in chemistry, one lesson, atom and molecules. Chemistry one lesson. Chemistry lesson all finished. Yes. Law of motion, first lesson, atom and molecules. Second, plant anatomy and plant physiology. That also your test portion. Your test portion, 3 lessons. One physics, from physics one lesson, one lesson from the chemistry, one lesson from biology. So study properly. Okay. Okay, children? Yes. Thank you.